increased payload, high efficiency, strong penetration, safe and reliable, smart and convenient. Meet the brand new DJI Agras T40. The truss-style body with foldable arms, more portable, easy to be stored. 11-meter spray width enhances efficiency to 21.3 hectares per hour. A machine with raw power and performance. Magnetic drive impeller pump completely segregates chemicals from motor, less corrosion, more durable. The dual automized sprinkler creates a more even particle size to maximize usage. Anti-drip centrifugal valve controls fluid precisely without dripping. Integrated spraying system can be easily transformed to the new spreading system. Spraying, spreading, you name it. Spreading payload improves to 50 kilograms. T40 spreads 1.5-ton fertilizer per hour, covers multiple scenarios, fulfills all your needs. Coaxial twin rotor generates powerful wind, allowing insecticides to penetrate trees thoroughly. Binocular vision and phased array radar, a spatial intelligence sensing system with fully automatic 3D continuous obstacle avoidance, safer flight, and more reliable to operate. High bright spotlights increase night vision capabilities. Brand new UHD FPV camera, adjustable gimbal tilt, allows seamless capture of HD images with all-new intelligent remote controller and DRPK2 mobile station makes local offline mapping possible. Generate precise 3D routes for hilly orchard terrain. Hassle-free route planning for farmland operations. Mapping and operations all in one. P4 multispectral generates prescription maps. T40 can adjust spraying or spreading amount according to crop growth. Targeted treatment, low cost, high yield. New multifunctional inverter generator, powered by EFI technology for improved fuel economy. T40 intelligent flight battery, equipped with an air-cooled heatsink. 9-minute speed charging without waiting. This is the new Agras T40, the latest evolution in the powerful flagship series.